Hello, welcome to my new project for Code Canyon. I name it Black Blood Bank as social media. Actually, I made the system for blood donors. I mean, there every day we need lots of blood for our relatives, for ourselves, and we're gonna collect the blood from others. It's a common phase from for my country. I think for all over the world too. So I prepare a project where a platform I make a platform where people can get blood donors number, those who willingly give blood to others, and you can get their contact number. They will ultimately they will register first here, and then they can interact between them. So I name it, that's why I name it as blood bank as social media. I mean, they can share their post, their opinion, their needs. They can message other blood donors that then about their urgency of blood, or any other post. They can post how we post on Facebook. Just for share our opinion, our thinking, our status of mind. So this is little kind of social media, and it's basically serve as blood donors. Blood donors can give blood. You will see their blood group, and you can message them I mean other donors, as I think, I mean, you can send all the positive blood donors, give a message that I need blood. You can, for example, you need a big group of blood, and you can message hold of your system that I need a blood, and it will send a system will send message email to to that recipient, that blood donor. So that's why I name it blood bank as social media. This is the documents I all attached in Kenyan, so in my website also, so you can check from both of them. And now let's have a look. This is the login page, and this is the common login page. You have to log in first. There, for demo purpose, I made two pages, two users, two kind of user, admin and blood donors, or common user, you can say. And if you need further any other requirements, I am there, no problem. And it's multi-language, so don't worry, it will work fine in a separate language. You can set your own language. Okay, we'll clear it more later on. Okay, just log in for now as admin. Okay, this is the admin panel, and I think it's not so bad. There's some maybe you're from other country, from Bangladesh, then you'll understand this. This is local language, Bengali. This is the comment for a post. Okay, somebody comment on post. Sorry, this is today post. You can set your language from the system settings from, and now it's English and Bengali. Okay, let's be it in English. It's cool English, and you can set your own language. Here are the language settings. Okay, we'll get later on. So in dashboard there are some basic statistics like number of users of your system, those who log in right now, total number of posts, total comments, total new user requests will be shown here, noted right now, and today post information, maybe one post today, and that's why when he name, okay, all those, and comments, no comments. Okay, for example, this is admin. He can add blood donors, blood donor from there's a, I think, a school page. You can add a blood donor name, or consider as a person as blood donor or administrator. You can set these for admin, will show this, see this, but whenever a normal user gonna register, they will not show this. Okay, let's have a look. Like incognito, go to incognito, and it will work, I think, fine. Okay, we'll see later. So this is how we can get another new one access to our system. And this is the dashboard. You can see today blood donors. You can see all blood donors list, all blood donors. You can, it's of course you can what should say, you can serialize it as you want. You can search by anything. It will be work by phone number. It's actually readable. It's quite cool. Okay, and if it more entity, then it will be paginate like this. And here you can add new post, you can share post, and whenever you type blood, it will be select a blood group. If you say general post, nothing will show. You just save a post and share. Okay, all are given here. My post, if I post anything before, all posts will be shown. And today post informations, today post, as you admin you can see this. Today I have only one post, so no comments, no likes. You can like it, you can admin can like itself, other people can like it, you can see it later. And so number of all posts you can show here. And location, I think from your from UK, and you gonna set your state, you're gonna set your local areas, so you can set it from here. Okay, I actually made the three categories: division or state, and district or region, and local area. So if you want further any change, I can make the change, no problem. I make it as my country work. I can have divisions, my country has divisions, districts, and local area, or project locally. So you can set it yourself. If you want, I can set it by yourself, no problem at all. And now you can see the location, you can add new locations. For example, this is from Borishal, and all the region, all the state from the Borishal, region of Borishal, and this is a local area. Sub sub area of this Berguna. Okay, and you can send, if you send you a message, you can see, you can say compose mail to anybody around the world with a legal email address. If you may send anybody to email from your system, it's cool. I think you're gonna send, normally you're gonna send mail from your Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail, or something else, but you can send messages from your own email. Okay, it will show that for example blood bank, and it will show blood bank send a message. So it's quite cool. You don't need to log into your Gmail or somewhere else, any other platform. You can send it by your platform. Even send item, drafts, inbox. If inbox number will show unread numbers. Okay, all are like other email. It's quite shortly, but like all other demos. So settings, and you can see profile, you can change, you can set a cover photo, you can set your profile picture, you can see your post, edit, you can edit your general informations from here. It's quite easy. And system, you can get system settings, where you can set your system information, your system name, your title or slogan or anything. You can say your system email. It should be real email address, because whenever you send a mail, it will refer this email, so it should be a real email address. Okay, this is your phone number, this is your language, this is your country, local area, your logo, your favicon. Favicon means, okay, look on my mouse, mouse pointer. This is, you can see this G for Gmail logo. Here you can see a logo. Okay, on our tab. This is called favicon. You can set it. Okay, you can set languages. You can, for example, edit. You can add new language. Okay, edit phrases. Login hotel show in English, or login hotel show in Bengali. You can set it yourself. You can create new language, no problem. It's quite easy. And these administrators, all the administrators will be shown there. Okay, you can just edit and view. You cannot delete administrator. It will be work manually. So terms and condition, you will set terms and condition. You will set privacy policy for the common people. I think this is all, and I think more needed. Okay, if needed, I will do later. Oh, one more thing. Whenever somebody send you a message, you can send a message here. Write under message number 0. You can check your inbox. It's 0. This is how admin gonna work. They can change password. Okay, right now it may not working, because not allowed in demo version. if I allow somebody gonna bad access this, so I deactivate this option. You can change password profile and you can log out. Okay, we're gonna log out, and now we're gonna work as a blood donor or normal user. Okay, I have done, for example, I'm new user, I don't have any account, then create an account. Okay, phone number, name, sex, blood, district, it's quite it depends on from your state. It will show here from your state, show from your local area, and postcode, address, password, confirm password, agree. It will be work fine. Okay, and I have already an account for demo version. I am adding this. Okay, this is the dashboard. I am timeline or dashboard for a common user, for a blood donor. Okay, then you can unload the message. It's on the scroll, little update, so it's almost like Facebook or some Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or something else, some other platform. It will work on a scroll. I think it's quite nice work. Okay, and you can a blood donor, normal user can share their post, as you can say, as I didn't share their post. Okay, my post, all their post. Oh, it's not working. Okay, I will work this later. It will work on your system, no problem. It may be uppercase, lowercase problem. Okay, and blood donors, all blood donors, they can see, then they can call, they can send message. Okay, inbox, they can send message, or it's like and the term and condition you said, they can read this, and the privacy policy, and change password, and remove account. Normal user may not interested to or to stay with you, they can remove their account. Then the time they have to give a reason, not have to, they should give a reason, and it will work fine. And this is a search. I think that's all, and that's not so bad. And of course the functions are so limited, but I think this is maybe good. And if anybody wants more, then I can do it more as per your recommendation, your requirement. So one thing I just want to say here, for example, you share a post for title you said, and you said a blood related post. Okay, and you have to select a blood group. Okay, for example, you said a blood group. When you share this post, all the users, those who hold A positive blood, they will get a message. The hot message, the message you're typing here. Okay, so I think this is cool. Then they can get a message, and okay, they'll understand. Yeah, my friend blood. You can contact. They can contact you. You can contact them. That's quite easy, quite interesting, I think. So that's all for now. And you don't have message. Okay, you can change password. Okay, that's all. You can change the cover photo, or like other user. You can cover photo, for example. Let's check. I'm giving okay, this one, for example, it's not working. Maybe, yeah, it's working. Okay, you can change your cover photo, for example, it's cover photo, this one. Yes, it's working. You can see it like this. Okay, that's all for now. And if you have any doubt, any suggestions, anything else, please let me know and comment me, and I will, of course, definitely I will reply on your comments as soon as I can. So that's all. Okay, check the project. If you like, then buy, or if you don't like, then comment me why you don't like, or any suggestions, anything else. You're most welcome. We always at your service, and we would be happy, glad to see you here. Thank you. Bye bye.